Hi you guys, it's Elsa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I install my clip-in extensions. These are from CurlsQueen, and I think these are by far the best clip-in extensions I have ever tried. They are so soft, they're absolutely stunning, and they're just so beautiful. So this is the bag that it comes in. I literally was wearing this last week, so I was like trying to put it back how it came. Let me show you what else it comes with. This cute little mesh pink bag, and in that bag comes extra clips. Comes with a brush. Yeah, I've already been using this brush. And of course a bonnet, and this one is adjustable, which I love. You can never have too many bonnets. The clip-in extensions are a little bit lighter than my hair. My hair I would say is almost jet black, but honestly it's not very noticeable once the clip-in extensions are in. You will not be able to tell. So the hair that I got is 24 inches of body wave. This is what the wefts look like. I've actually never tried clip-in extensions like this. See how like seamless that is? It's gonna sit on your head a lot more flat. So there's a total of 10 wefts, and this one is the largest. There's 2 wefts in each size. I'm going to be constantly doing this because it's so warm, because I turned off the air conditioning, you know, so it's not too loud, but it's hot, so I'm going to be like dabbing my face a bit. Before I start putting the extensions in, the first thing I got to do is you got to braid a section of the back of your hair down, so that way the first layer that sits down is the longest piece. Okay, and the easiest way just to pin this back is to do a flat braid across your head and then pin that braid flat down. I'm going to braid it all the way to the end and then secure the end with an elastic so it doesn't unravel. Now that the end is secured, we're going to need some bobby pins. Maybe it's just like 2 or 3. It feels really flat, and the clip-in extension you're just going to put above it and it's going to sit nicely. The thing about clip-in extensions, because everyone's head shape is different, like my method might not work for you. You might have to make some adjustments just because our heads are all shaped differently, you know what I mean? Okay, so the first weft that I'm going to do is the one with the 3 clips. If you put a clip-in extension in and you feel like something's pulling or it's uncomfy, you should fix it right away, because if you don't fix it, it's going to bother you for the rest of the day. Got the second layer sectioned. This is kind of like the thickness that I sectioned going all around. The next one is the one with 4 clips. You just have to like feel where the part is and then just go for it. For my third clip-in install, I'm going to do the one with the 5 clips. It feels so flat. I have my next weft, and they're the 2 clip wefts, and I'm going to put them right here. The fronts of my hair, like most people, are the most fragile, so I'm not going to put the clips too close. So I like to put them a little, just a tiny bit further back, like that. Slide it in there, and then clip. And slide it in there and then clip. The next 2 wefts that we are going to add, one that has 4 clips and one that has 3 clips. So I'm going to start in the front, hit it, and then clip it, slide, clip. And then I'm going to go in with the 3 wefts on this side, and then they're going to meet. I've been wearing my part slightly to the left, not totally in the middle, just because I'm trying to give my middle part a break, you know. So now I got my part where I wanted. So I have my 2 clip wefts that I'm going to put on the sides. Okay. I still have 1 weft left. It's the one with the 5 clips. I mean, if you want to go fuller, you could use all of them, but I don't really need it. Before I go in with my curler, I'm going to go in with my heat protectant. This is human hair, so you still want to like take care of it like it's your hair. It's so soft. It's just like, you couldn't tell me that this is not my hair. Like, this is my hair. I don't know what to tell you. This is my hair. I'm going to take a few of the clip-ins down, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to switch up your look with these extensions. First, I'm going to do a side part, and then I'm going to do a half up, half down look. I take a few of these out. This one, take this one out. And I'm going to take this one out as well. Not totally out, just need a tiny bit. And I'm going to clip this one back in its place. And just like that, we have a side part. It's super easy. I'm also going to do a side part low ponytail while we're at it. The next hairstyle I'm going to do is half up, half down. I have taken out all my clip-in extensions except for the first 3 clip weft. I'm going to just section my hair to where I want my ponytail to sit. I think that's good. Okay. Just going to try to even it out a bit. Move this hair out of the way. I'm going to put my next clip-in in, so I'm just sectioning the next part. For the second clip-in, I'm going to go in with the 4 weft one, I think. And the last weft for the back, I think, is going to be a 3 clip weft.
We're definitely on the same page.
I wanted a little bit of my hair out, so I just took it out of the ponytail. So I'm going to just pin this. For my ponytail, I'm going to be using the 2 clip wefts. I think I might be using 3. And I want my ponytail to sit, I think right here is a good spot. I think I'm going to tie this back because I don't want to accidentally mix up my ponytail with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to just do a little loose tie. I sectioned off my first piece about this much. I am going to grab my first weft and just clip it right here. I'm going to do my second weft. I hope you guys can see. Okay, I think I'm just going to do one more weft and then see how that looks. And if I need another weft, I'll go from there. Okay, so this is what the ponytail looks like. Let me zoom out. Can you guys see? I think I'm going to add one more weft more towards the back, just to give it a little bit more fullness. Gently just brush your hair up into the ponytail. So I think I'm happy with my ponytail and the position and the thickness and everything. So I'm just gonna tie it up. I always can do my left side decent, and then this one I have no idea which way it's going, but yeah. Alright, so those are some super simple hairstyles you could do with the clip-in extensions. They're super versatile, super easy. As you can tell, they're seamless. You can't see nothing. Even if you were to feel my head right now, it feels flat. There's nothing. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I will put all the information, all the hair details in the description. Thank you to CurlsQueen for sending me this hair. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.